Hi everyone! Today we're gonna make buttermilk fried chicken. This is a very easy recipe to do, and it's not the healthiest, but why not have it once in a while? We're gonna serve it with some coleslaw and some homemade fries, which the kids absolutely love. So the potatoes I got, they're not the freshest, but actually it's gonna be better because they started to lose some of the water content. They're gonna be more crispy. So you see they sort of quite bendy already. They almost don't even want to snap. But you will see that this will result in a crispier fries. Yeah, so just follow the steps in the video and have yourself some fried chicken. See you later. Slice half a head of white cabbage for the coleslaw. Put about a teaspoon of salt on it and mix it all up together. So as you saw before, we did salt the cabbage and we left it for about 10 minutes. Now we're gonna have to squeeze all this liquid out of it. Once you have the cabbage ready, just add it into the bowl and add the carrots as well. I'm just gonna add a half a red onion to this. You can use white onion as well. I prefer red onion because it's sort of less intense flavor. So yeah, just slice it really thin. And add it into the coleslaw. You don't really need to add any more salt because we had the cabbage sitting in some salt. So the last thing you need to do is put some cracked pepper in it. Cracked black pepper in it, sorry. And obviously you're gonna have to add some mayonnaise to it. About 3 tablespoons I say. So if you wanna make this a bit more different than usual, you can add some sesame seeds to it, let's say. I will add some black ones, and you can also put in a bit of toasted sesame seed oil if you have. If you don't have, you can use pumpkin seed oil. Put the coleslaw in the fridge, and next we're gonna move on to the chicken. So these chicken thighs are brined. They are brined in some salty water. I left them in the fridge overnight. You can have them for shorter, let's say 4 hours, so you have to work a bit in advance. But you're gonna get a better result than just using them fresh in the buttermilk and frying it straight away. To season our flour, we're gonna add salt, ground black pepper, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, ground cumin, ground coriander seeds, and dried oregano to it. Also, if you have, put some granulated garlic in it. Now the next stage is to drench the chicken thighs in the buttermilk and dip them into the seasoned flour what we prepared just earlier. We're gonna fry the fries 2 times. So first just par cook them in the oil, and we're gonna cook them a second time just before serving. Have the oil ready at 150 Celsius for the chicken. Put them in slowly and then cook them at this temperature for about 20 minutes. We're coming to the end of the video. You just need to fry your chips one more time, serve it up, enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. Thank you, see you later.